Killer Drone is a cutting-edge anti-drone system designed to neutralize and eliminate hostile drone threats. Utilizing advanced technologies such as radar, radio frequency detection, and infrared cameras, Killer Drone can accurately detect drones in real time even in challenging environments. Imagine soaring through the skies like Luke Skywalker on a speeder bike, the wind whipping through your hair as you navigate through a galaxy far, far away. With an FPV Star Wars speeder bike quadcopter, you can experience that same exhilarating freedom and adventure. Stanley Robotics is revolutionizing the way car logistics are handled with their innovative automated storage and retrieval systems. These systems utilize robotic valets equipped with sensors and artificial intelligence to navigate and maneuver vehicles within compounds, eliminating the need for manual handling and reducing the risk of damage. Bozina is a controversial non-lethal riot control device that has been used in various countries to disperse crowds and manage civil unrest. It uses a combination of high-pressure water and kinetic energy to incapacitate individuals without causing serious injury. While designed to be non-lethal, there have been concerns about its potential to cause injuries and its use against peaceful protesters. Alternatives to Bozina include less lethal munitions, de-escalation techniques, and community policing. The Thorvald light treatment is a groundbreaking technology that offers significant benefits for open-field strawberry production. By utilizing LED lighting to manipulate the light environment that strawberry plants experience, Thorvald can increase yields, improve fruit quality, and accelerate harvest. Garaventa 136 Full is a high-performance chairlift system, renowned for its exceptional reliability, efficiency, and comfort. Designed to transport passengers effortlessly and safely across various terrains, this model is widely used in ski resorts, amusement parks, and other outdoor recreational areas. Solskin is at the forefront of revolutionizing the way we integrate solar energy into our built environment. As a pioneer in building integrated photovoltaics, Solskin offers innovative solutions that seamlessly blend solar panels with architectural elements, transforming buildings into sustainable energy generators. Treddy, a groundbreaking robot developed by Hebe Robotics, is redefining the possibilities of robotic locomotion. This versatile and agile platform is designed to navigate complex environments with ease, making it ideal for a wide range of applications, including research, education, and industrial automation.
The Pesa Loco HU is a groundbreaking hydrogen-powered locomotive that represents a significant advancement in sustainable rail transportation. Developed by Pesa, a leading Polish railway equipment manufacturer, the Loco H2 utilizes cutting-edge hydrogen fuel cell technology to generate electricity, powering its traction motors.
Shenhua Technology offers innovative inspection robots that revolutionize the way railways are maintained and inspected. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, enabling them to autonomously navigate tracks, bridges, and tunnels, identifying defects such as cracks, corrosion, and misalignment. By automating routine inspections, these robots significantly improve safety for railway workers, while also increasing efficiency and reducing downtime. The robots collect and analyze data in real time, allowing for timely identification and resolution of potential issues. The Wheelcraft is a revolutionary amphibious, ice-fishing vehicle that has transformed the sport. With its ability to drive on both land and ice, it eliminates the hassle of hauling heavy equipment across frozen lakes. The retractable wheels allow for easy maneuvering on both surfaces. Expandable movable spaces offer a flexible and adaptable solution for various applications, from temporary housing and event venues to classrooms and office spaces. These structures are designed to be easily expanded, contracted, and relocated, making them ideal for situations where space requirements fluctuate or long-term commitment is not necessary. Hankook Tire, a global leader in the tire industry, has been at the forefront of innovation, consistently pushing the boundaries of tire design and technology. With a focus on delivering exceptional performance, safety, and sustainability, Hankook Tire has developed a range of innovative tire concepts and products that are shaping the future of the industry. From electric vehicle tires specifically designed to optimize performance and range, to sustainable tire materials that reduce the industry's ecological footprint, Hankook Tire is committed to meeting the evolving needs of consumers and the environment. By investing in advanced tire technology and exploring the integration of smart technology into tires, Hankook Tire is driving the industry forward and delivering products that enhance safety, comfort, and sustainability.
The Cooking Master stove is an exceptional appliance designed for culinary enthusiasts. With its features and superior performance, it effortlessly elevates the cooking experience. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual home cook, this stove provides the versatility and power needed to create delicious meals. From precise temperature control to even heat distribution, the Cooking Master stove ensures that every dish is cooked to perfection. Its durable construction and sleek design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The water car is a remarkable invention that allows for transportation both on land and water. This innovative vehicle utilizes a unique propulsion system that enables it to navigate through various bodies of water. The Amount UB14 blower is a powerful and versatile tool designed for efficient leaf and debris removal. It features a 14-horsepower engine. Robotics is a German-based company specializing in the design and development of mobile robots. They create innovative robotic solutions tailored to various industries and applications. The Jetson Rosbug is a specialized robot platform designed for research and development in the field of robotics. Based on the NVIDIA Jetson platform, it offers powerful computing capabilities and is equipped with robot operating system. The Cumulus project is an innovative initiative aimed at addressing the pressing global water crisis by developing a groundbreaking machine capable of transforming air into water. This revolutionary technology has the potential to provide a sustainable and accessible solution to water scarcity in regions around the world. Air Marker is a revolutionary device designed to expedite search and rescue operations in remote or difficult-to-access areas. By rapidly deploying a highly visible signal balloon, it can significantly reduce the time it takes to locate individuals in distress. Solar Stratos is a groundbreaking aeronautical project that aims to be the first to fly a piloted solar-powered airplane into the stratosphere. This ambitious endeavor showcases the potential of renewable energy and the possibilities of electric aviation. The Zephyr was a pioneering helicopter developed by Curtie Aerospace Division. Notably, it was one of the first helicopters in the world to be equipped with a parachute recovery system. The yacht Olivia O is a luxurious vessel that offers a unique and unforgettable experience on the water. Known for its elegant design, spacious accommodations, and state-of-the-art amenities, it is a popular choice for those seeking a first-class yachting experience. Holmatra Rescue is a global leader in the field of hydraulic rescue tools and equipment, specializing in providing innovative solutions for emergency services worldwide. With a focus on reliability, efficiency, and ease of use, Holmatra's products are designed to meet the demanding requirements of firefighters, rescue teams, and law enforcement personnel. Survivor Filter collapsible canteens are innovative and portable water storage solutions designed for outdoor enthusiasts in survival situations. Their unique collapsible design allows them to be compressed when empty, making them ideal for backpacking, camping, and hiking. The Airlight Flash is a cutting-edge, lightweight tethered aerostat system developed by LTA Projects. Designed for rapid deployment and easy operation, It offers a versatile platform for aerial surveillance, communications, and other applications. Highly portable and easily transportable, the survival capsule is a revolutionary survival pod, designed to protect individuals from natural disasters such as tsunamis, floods, and earthquakes. The capsule is designed to float and withstand extreme forces, making it a reliable refuge in the event of a disaster. The MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit is a high-performance snowshoe, designed for efficient and comfortable travel in various snow conditions. It's a popular choice among winter hikers, backcountry skiers, and snowshoers due to its versatility and durability. Long hikes. The Bushbuck Dry Toes waterproof merino socks are a high-performance sock, designed to keep your feet dry, warm, and comfortable in wet and cold conditions. Their waterproof membrane effectively repels water, while the soft and breathable merino wool provides excellent insulation and temperature regulation. Milesea Optics, a renowned manufacturer of thermal imaging equipment, is dedicated to elevating outdoor experiences. Their comprehensive product line encompasses thermal monoculars, binoculars, and hunting and shooting accessories, each meticulously engineered to provide exceptional performance and durability. Surviveware emergency mylar blankets are a must-have for any emergency preparedness kit. These lightweight reflective blankets are designed to help maintain body heat in cold weather conditions, making them ideal for outdoor activities like camping, hiking, or even keeping in your car for unexpected emergencies. Freefall is a domestically produced emergency evacuation system from Bangladesh, designed to provide a safe and efficient means of escape during emergencies such as fires, earthquakes, or other disasters. Installing aqua barrier in a canal presents unique challenges due to the canal's size, water flow, and potential for erosion. With proper planning and execution, aqua barrier can be an effective tool for flood control and water management. The Leader Easy 5000 is a powerful firefighting large flow fan, designed to provide high-volume airflow for rapid fire suppression and ventilation. It is a versatile tool that can be used in various firefighting scenarios, from structural fires and wildfires to industrial fires and ventilation. Cascade Rescue Company is a pioneer in aerial evacuation systems, providing innovative solutions for rescuing individuals from inaccessible or dangerous locations. Their cable gliders are designed to offer a safe and efficient means of evacuation, utilizing a secure anchor point and a strong, weather-resistant cable. The Ty-3R drone rope rescue experiment conducted by DDOC Makings was a groundbreaking initiative aimed at demonstrating the potential of drones for conducting rescue operations in challenging environments. The experiment involved using a drone equipped with a specialized rope system to deliver life-saving equipment to individuals stranded in remote or inaccessible locations. Ground screws have been strategically placed along the shoreline of Hayden Lake. These sturdy screws will serve as the foundation for a new staircase, ensuring a stable and durable structure. This versatile tool is designed for efficient planting. Whether you're creating a new flower bed or transplanting seedlings, this tool makes the process quick and easy. The John Deere with an FR22 disc is a powerful and versatile tracked feller buncher designed for efficient timber harvesting operations. This combination provides a robust and reliable solution for felling and bunching trees in various forestry environments. The Zebra Crossing Painting Machine is a specialized piece of equipment designed to efficiently and accurately mark pedestrian crosswalks. It typically features a tank to hold the paint, a precise application system, and a guidance mechanism to ensure straight and even lines. This machine is a versatile piece of equipment designed to streamline the production of animal feed. It efficiently compresses the feed into dents. This process not only reduces storage space but also improves the shelf life of the feed by minimizing moisture content and preventing spoilage. The smoke machine is a device that creates artificial smoke or fog. It works by heating a liquid, often based on mineral oil or propylene glycol, until it vaporizes. This vapor is then cooled, causing it to condense into a fine mist that resembles smoke. The Laowa 8-in-1 multifunctional wire stripping pliers is a versatile tool designed to streamline various electrical tasks. This compact tool combines several functions into a single unit, making it an essential addition to any electrician's toolkit. LifeStraw is a personal water filtration device that provides access to clean drinking water in areas where it is scarce or contaminated. It's a simple yet effective tool that has helped millions of people around the world. The LifeStraw is completely chemical-free and does not require any batteries or electricity to operate. Magic Leap 2, an advanced augmented reality device, holds immense potential to revolutionize healthcare. By overlaying digital information onto the real world, it can enhance medical education, surgical training, and patient care. The Suzuki Mukba Concept Robotic is a futuristic vision that combines the affordability and reliability of the Suzuki Mukba with advanced robotic technology. The next-generation four-legged mobility Mukba is a groundbreaking concept that promises to revolutionize the way we move. Paipai is a groundbreaking robotic survey vehicle designed to navigate confined spaces like culverts and tunnels. Equipped with LiDAR, video, and image capture capabilities, it provides detailed spatial information for a variety of applications. Paipai can be used to inspect underground pipes and tunnels for signs of corrosion, damage, or structural defects. ETH researchers have developed a groundbreaking robotic printing process for Earth-based materials. The process, known as impact printing, involves a robot shooting material from above to gradually build a wall. As the material impacts the surface, the parts bond together with minimal additives. This eliminates the need for lengthy pauses during the printing process, as seen in concrete 3D printing. The material used is a mixture of excavated materials, silt and clay, making it readily available and sustainable. The Costway 3-layer floating Oasis water pad foam mat is a versatile and durable water accessory perfect for pool parties, lake days, or ocean adventures. Its soft and comfortable surface provides a relaxing spot to lounge, while its sturdy construction ensures long-lasting use. The beachfront floating platform using SETI-OS modular pontoon floats is a versatile and customizable water-based structure that can be adapted to a wide range of purposes. Constructed with durable and stable HDPE pontoons, the platform offers a solid and reliable foundation for your water-based activities. With the intricate mold, they poured a mixture of concrete, crafting tiles that were as unique as snowflakes. Each tile told a story, its patterns and textures a silent language of artistry. Mini Monitor USB-C docking station, a versatile hub for your workspace. Featuring a 3.5-inch IPS screen for additional display, USB 3.0 ports for connecting peripherals, and HDMI output for expanding your desktop setup. Enchantiatia is a magical elixir brewed in the witchcraft teapot using a specific blend of herbs, flowers, and moonlit water. This potent potion is said to have the power to grant wishes, but only if the drinker is pure of heart and truly believes in the magic of the teapot.